a split, cause I know that you will. Oh, you bite your friend like chocolate. You say you'll go where nobody knows, with guns hidden under our petticoats. We're never gonna quit it, no, we're never gonna quit it, no.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Rachel and this is my channel. So today's video is all about me giving my life a makeover, as you guys can tell by the title. So yesterday I filmed a few clips and then I just randomly stopped filming and I don't know why. Let me just give you a quick update, some context. Yesterday I decided to sort of minimalize my room. This is one of the things I'm doing here in 2020 for giving my life a makeover, is just I want to get rid of like a bunch of crap basically. So I filmed some before shots yesterday, so I'm going to show you guys those really quick and then we'll jump back to present day. Okay, so first things first, I need to clean my room because I haven't cleaned in like a week, so I'm gonna wipe down surfaces, vacuum, that sort of thing, and then we'll jump into going through stuff. So that's what we're doing first. That's step number one. By the way, this is random, but I got this new chair. I used my Amazon gift cards that I got for Christmas. It's on Amazon, so I'll leave it linked down below in case you guys are curious. But yeah, I got a new chair, so just want to point that out before we start cleaning. It's really cool too because it has the wheels, which is so nice because I've never had that before in a chair, so I love that.
And now call it a split, cause I know that you will. Oh, you bite your friend like chocolate.
So I basically just finished cleaning and I changed my outfit because I got really hot. I've been trying to figure out, like, I think I'm gonna rearrange in my room a little bit. So I actually kind of want to remove the brown shelf over there. Let me show you guys. I kind of want to get rid of that brown shelf right there, and I want to move this over there again somehow. Basically that the white like 9 cube organizer thing, I kind of want that. I'm gonna empty that out and it's gonna be the place for my plant family. I'm gonna start collecting plants and put it on there. It's gonna be really cute, but I don't want to leave it where it is because I want sunlight to be able to hit it because there's gonna be plants there. So I'm thinking about putting it over kind of by where the brown shelf is somehow. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna go through the stuff in my room right now and minimalize. So like take out the stuff that I kind of want to get rid of. Not my clothes or any of that yet, but just the stuff in my room. Go through and figure out what I want to keep and what I'm going to donate. And then I'll worry about moving my furniture. I think that makes more sense. So I'll do that now. I'll film some B-roll and take you guys with me.
Gonna quit it, no, we're never gonna quit it, no. Now run away from the blessing blue. And my car smells like chocolate. Hey, now think about what you do. Think about what they say. Think about what you think. Pause it, play it, pause it, play it, pause it.
So as you can see, my room, it was pretty minimal to begin with. If I'm being honest, there wasn't a lot in here compared to like what could be in here, but I have done some things different. So I'm going to just give you guys a quick like walk around the room, show you what it looks like right now, and then today I'm going to go through my closet, or at least begin going through my closet. This morning I was working on my computer trying to get a bunch of the pictures for my dream board, which is going to be going right there. If you guys can see the white grids back there. So I was getting a bunch of pictures put together on a Word document, and then I'm going to print them off and do my dream board hopefully today, sometime here in this video. yeah, that's about it. So I'm going to show you guys real quick what my room looks like, and then we will start minimalizing my closet. So this is what the intro to my room looks like. I really don't have a lot. I moved my mirror to over here. It's dirty, excuse that. Over here I just have a couple things. These are wooden crates. I believe I got them on Amazon. Got them a long time ago. Then I just have some bins, and I minimalized this area. I put my little space heater because my room gets really cold at night, so I always have to use that. But I minimalized my side table, and you guys might notice I took my pink pillows off my bed and I moved them over there, but we'll get there in a minute. So that's what my bed looks like. I have my lamp, and then my desk. I kind of have some stuff on there right now because I was working, but typically these things right here are normally in the drawer. My phone's not normally here. And the water glasses and coffee isn't normally there. But yeah, and that paper's not normally there. That's what it looks like. Moving my chair. Down here, I used to have a bin. Now I just have like 2 folders in that little container, kind of to hide the cords as well. Have my purse. This is my chair. This used to be a rug. I now use a rug for my chair. But yeah, so that's what my little sort of office looks like. And then over here, I'm really happy with how this turned out. It's very minimal compared to what it used to be. Right there is my sock drawer. That's my meditation pillow and blanket. And then I have all of my books that used to be in this thing. I put them in that basket and it like slides out. It's really nice. I really want to get, maybe I'll put a picture on the screen or something of what I want to get, but it's like a cushion thing that goes on top of here. But there'd be like a meditation cushion thing. It's kind of like, it's supposed to be my meditation, yoga, spirituality area, if that makes sense. What am I doing with my hand? And then moving over here, this thing is pretty much empty. So the reason that this is so empty right now is because this is where I'm going to start growing my plant family. So all the plants I have right now are fake, but I want like actual plants, and I want to put the pots in here, and I want to put a plant in here. It's so cute. I got it from Goodwill. It says flowers and garden. So I am planning on starting my plant family. That's what's going to go there. It's really empty right now, but I'm going to be getting plants. Over here is just my white drawer. It used to be like right there, but I really like having it back there. It definitely opens up this space. So I need to go through those drawers still, but that's for a later date. Totally forgot to mention this. Also, you guys might have been wondering like, what the heck? So this is where my certification is gonna go once I get my certification in the mail. I took the exam. They just have to like grade it and, you know, send me my certification and be like, you're a coach, yay, you know. So that's where that's gonna go. I'm just waiting on receiving my certification to go right there. Okay, so I just brought my basket of clothes up. This is pretty much all of my clothes except for anything that's currently in the wash. And then I had that one cardigan that was hanging up on my door. Otherwise, this is all of my clothes. I really want to minimalize it and maybe like split it in half, like half of this. Actually, this isn't all my clothes. I also have some clothes in another dresser, but it's not like a lot of clothes. Besides the point, I'm gonna start going through this. I'll film some B-roll and then I will check in with you guys later. Okay guys, so these 2 bags are to donate. These are pants that I really want to keep, but I feel like there's too many. There's so many. But I really like all of them. They're really comfortable. This is workout clothes. These are workout bras. That's all stuff that like I'm keeping for now. I might keep them, but like I want to replace them type of thing. These are my comfy clothes. These, I have 2 jeans that I'm keeping. This is just like a little hair thing. Ignore the hangers. I found leg warmers. I've had these for a long time, and I want to get back into wearing them, and if I don't end up wearing them, I'll get rid of them, but I want to get back into wearing. Look guys, I literally have a pair on right now. Ooh, yes, so cute. Okay, anyway, and then so these are 2 cardigans that I'm keeping. I'm keeping this one. I really like it, and I like this one. I wear them a lot, so I figured I'd keep them. And then there's all that, donating, and then I also have this pile, and this is all stuff I'm keeping. So this is mostly just like basics like t-shirts and, you know, things like that. And then I have some like summer things in there. And I have 2 more cardigans. I wear cardigans a lot, so I figured it's fine. Anyway, that's what I'm keeping for now. I'm gonna put this all away, and then we will move on to creating my dream board, which will be right up there, which is really awesome. So I just got all of the clothes put away in my closet. It looks pretty nice. I still need to go through a few things down there. Overall, like, most of my belongings are gone through. All I have left is to go through these drawers, go through the bags down there really, like, eventually here. And then also I have some makeup out in my bathroom. But yeah, my closet is now done, which is so nice. So the next thing to do is to finish my dream board. I'm going to sit down, go on my computer, print off the pictures, and then I'll start cutting them out and putting them on the dream board, and I'll film B-roll and all that and take you guys with me. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So let's do this. Hey guys, so it is the next day, the next morning to be exact, and I didn't end up filming me like putting my dream board together. I didn't put my dream board together actually at all because I wanted to film it for this video. So as you can see, I have a bunch of the pictures printed off on my bed. I'm going to be cutting them out and putting them on the dream board here, and I'll film that, I promise. Right now I'm actually watching some videos, and we got strawberries. So I'm snacking on strawberries, and I am drinking my morning green shake, which I know looks disgusting, but it tastes so good. It tastes like chocolate. So I'm just gonna finish up what I'm doing, finish my breakfast, and then we will start putting the dream board together, and I promise I will film it.
She said we're dressed in black, head to toe, guns hidden under our petticoats. We're never gonna quit it, no, we're never gonna quit it, no. Building up speed as we're approaching the hill. Oh, my hair smells like chocolate. You say you're gonna quit it, but you're never gonna quit it. Gonna get it, gonna get it, gonna get it, gonna get it, gonna...
Okay guys, so first of all I changed because I got cold, so I'll just put that out there. That's why I'm wearing a different outfit. I just finished getting all of the pictures for my dream board. I just finished cutting them all out. If you guys can tell, there are 2 particular grids, so I'm planning on splitting it up with personal manifestations and like business manifestations. I'm going to sort these into 2 piles, and then I'll start putting them on the board. I just wanted to give you guys a quick verbal update so you know what I'm doing. But yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing, so let's get into that. Alright guys, so I just finished the dream board, as you guys can sort of see, and now I'm just gonna sort of give you guys like an overview shot of the whole thing and tell you guys like what things mean. So let's do that really quick. Starting up here, I really want to focus on my health here in 2020, and I want to get back into yoga, eating really healthy, meditation, that kind of a thing. So that's what's going on right there. I am in the middle of trying to manifest a relationship, maybe not in 2020, but like long-term relationship, so I have that on there. The first pet that I want to adopt is a fluffy white cat like that, and I want to name her Amethyst. So I'm manifesting a white cat named Amethyst, and then I want to also adopt a fur baby, like little dog, sometime as well. I also am in the middle of trying to manifest my own apartment, so I have some pictures over here just to help me manifest that. I want to have my little plant family, as you guys saw earlier with the white shelves, so that's like my inspiration for that. Those are pictures of how I decorate my home. I have a little affirmation thing that says I can afford everything I want. to just really, you know, send messages to my subconscious that I can afford this. And then I have like some pictures of kind of what I'd want my kitchen to look like. I want to get into astrology and like witchy things, so I have that there as well. And then moving on over here, this is all about like money, and this is like my dream office, and I want to do a DIY file cabinet for my coaching paperwork and stuff, so I have that. I have like a check that says $100. It's like a magic check, if you guys have heard of that. I want to manifest more influence and like subscribers. All my debts are paid, money flows easily to me. This is $10,000 of like monthly earnings type thing that I found, so I want to manifest a $10,000 month. This just says I am open and ready to attract abundance into my life. It also has the butterflies, and I don't know if you guys listen to my podcast, the Be Her podcast, but I talked in my first episode about how 2020, my year is growth, and how it was going to be my butterfly year. And then when I was looking up images for abundance, this came up, which I think is really awesome. So yeah, and then my office, and this just says money, health, wealth, love, and support surrounds me, which I think is really awesome. Moving on up, I have stuff with my podcast. I want to have like really good ratings and reviews, and then this is like viewership of the podcast, so it's like analytics. And then eventually, this is more long term, I want to like hire my own team, be a girl boss, that kind of a thing. And then I just have my podcast here again, like 100,000 downloads is a goal of mine. And then just more with my podcast and my podcast community page right here as well. Over here, I plan on starting my website. This is sort of the type of design I'm hoping to go with. So once I open my coaching, I'll have a website. And then I have a bunch of stuff for YouTube growth as well over there, including getting 100,000 subscribers, YouTube Black. Alright, so that is going to be the end of today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below and comment something that you guys have on your dream board or something that you're trying to manifest here in 2020. And if you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more of my content. And yeah, that's it. So thank you guys again for watching, and I will just see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.